Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0340 refers to a problem with the camshaft position sensor A in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This specific diagnostic trouble code indicates that the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, is not receiving any signals from the CMP sensor A. The CMP sensor A plays a crucial role in detecting the intake camshaft timing and relaying pulsing signals to the PCM. The PCM relies on these signals, along with input from the crankshaft position (CKP) sensor, to accurately determine whether to advance or retard the camshaft timing for optimal engine performance. If the CMP sensor fails to send signals, the PCM recognizes this lack of input as a malfunction and subsequently stores the DTC for further diagnostics. Understanding the function of the CMP sensor within the broader context of engine management is vital for diagnosing this error. In summary, DTC P0340 signifies a serious issue related to the camshaft position sensor A not sending signals to the PCM. Understanding its role is vital for diagnosing any potential problems effectively. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps can lead technicians to either repair or replace faulty components. Regular maintenance, including ongoing inspections of the CMP sensor and wiring, can mitigate future risks of similar trouble codes. Awareness and understanding of such issues empower technicians with proactive tools for ensuring optimal engine performance. Ultimately, the goal remains to maintain vehicle reliability and driver safety. The CMP sensor A is essential for managing engine timing. Located at the intake camshaft, it monitors the camshaft's position and sends this information in the form of pulsing signals to the PCM. This allows the PCM to adjust timing based on real-time conditions, ensuring efficient engine operation. If the CMP sensor A stops functioning correctly, it can't send these signals, leading to a condition where the PCM is unable to accurately calculate camshaft timing. The importance of this sensor is further underlined by the fact that it directly influences engine performance and emissions. Understanding its location and function helps in pinpointing the potential issues when the DTC P0340 appears. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0340, and understanding these can assist in effective troubleshooting. First, a short to ground in the cam line can prevent signals from reaching the PCM. Secondly, an open circuit in the cam line could also lead to a lack of signal supply. Additionally, the CMP sensor A itself may simply be malfunctioning due to wear or internal failure. Finally, it's important to consider the possibility of an internal failure within the PCM, which could also cause the DTC to trigger. While these are common issues, it's crucial to conduct a thorough examination, as other potential problems may not be listed, but could contribute to the sensor's failure. When DTC P0340 is triggered, drivers may notice several troubling symptoms. The most immediate indicator is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, prompting concern from the driver. Furthermore, one may experience significant engine performance issues, which might manifest as a lack of power, especially during acceleration. Additionally, the vehicle could exhibit rough idling or stalling, affecting its overall drivability. These symptoms underline the critical nature of the CMP sensor's role, as its failure directly impacts engine timing and functionality. Addressing these alerts promptly is essential to prevent further damage to the vehicle. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0340 involves checking for any active diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. This is crucial because it provides a more comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's current condition. If there are other DTCs present, such as P0335 or P0344. These may indicate related problems that could complicate the diagnostics. An effective initial scan using a proper diagnostic tool will help determine whether the DTC is a current issue or one that has since resolved. A thorough examination of prior codes can shed light on any recurring issues that might influence the performance of the CMP sensor. Thus, documenting both active and historic codes lays the groundwork for effective diagnostics. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P0340 involves a meticulous inspection of the wiring connected to the CMP sensor A. This includes checking for any signs of shorts to ground, which can disrupt the signal transmission to the PCM. An open circuit can also impede the flow of signals, preventing the sensor from relaying crucial information. This inspection typically involves visual checks as well as electrometric tests with a multimeter to confirm continuity. Ensuring the integrity of the wiring harness, connectors, and terminals will eliminate potential external factors that could lead to the malfunctions noted in the DTC P0340. Adequate attention to these details is critical in isolating the issue. In this step, the focus shifts towards testing the operation of the CMP sensor A itself. Utilizing a multimeter or oscilloscope, the technician should measure the output signal of the CMP sensor when the engine is running. The sensor should generate pulsing signals, reflecting its functionality and performance. If the sensor fails to produce the expected output, it may indicate a fault within the CMP sensor itself, warranting its replacement. This test is critical as it helps pinpoint whether the issue lies within the sensor or if it is an external factor preventing the signal provision. Proper testing ensures that replacement parts address the root cause of the problem, rather than merely the symptoms. After completing the necessary repairs or replacements, it's vital to verify the effectiveness of the fixes. This begins by clearing any DTCs with a diagnostic scan tool to reset the PCM's memory. Following this action, a test drive is essential to observe the engine performance under normal operating conditions. The technician should monitor the vehicle for any reoccurrence of the DTC. Ensuring that the check engine light does not illuminate again confirms the successful remediation of the issue. If the DTC does recur, further diagnostics may be necessary, indicating that the original problem was not fully addressed, or there may be an underlying issue still present. To prevent the occurrence of DTC P0340 in the future, it is essential to implement a regular maintenance routine focusing on the CMP sensor and its associated components. Regular inspections of the CMP sensor are critical, allowing for early detection of any performance issues before they escalate. Additionally, the wiring and connectors leading to the sensor should be inspected for wear, corrosion, or damage to ensure robust signal transmission. It's also beneficial to establish a schedule for routine diagnostics, as periodic checks can help identify potential problems before they manifest as DTCs. Adopting these preventive measures can contribute significantly to the longevity and reliability of the engine system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.